Hey, Paw Paws here with another tip. If you watched one of my other videos about me putting them clear plastic shelves up in my bedroom, I'll leave that link down in the description below just in case you didn't see it. But I did mention that I had 4 of those shelves and I only put 2 up in the bedroom. And I did say that I was coming out with another video to where I was going to put these. And you can't miss this. Okay? Check this out. All my spices, they fit real nice in this little clear plastic shelf. And I'm going to stake them and I'm going to put them inside my pantry. Watch this right here. It fits perfect way back up in here. So, that's where I'm going to put this shelf. I'm going to do some cleaning up. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. Get the puck light out of there. We got to take this shelf out. So we'll get this out of the way. And I'm going to put this puck light back in so I could see. We got our alcohol. I got my cotton swab, my tape measure, and my pencil. First thing we're going to do is take the alcohol and we're going to wipe everything down so the command strips have something good clean to stick to. So, because that thing's heavy, we don't want it to fall. All right, just a little spritz of alcohol. Don't need a whole lot. Just take it in the whole general area where you're going to put your command strips. Just wipe it down real good. And then don't forget to wipe and clean the back of your shelf. We'll let that dry, and then we'll take our tape measure and then we'll mark out where it's going to go. Alright, I already pre-measured, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to bring it down to about 6.5 inches. Okay, so I already measured. I got my 2 marks. It's 6.5 inches down from the ceiling. All right, so now all I have to do is I got to take and put my command strips on, which we're going to be using the command strips for the bathroom, 5 pound, the large ones. Okay, we're going to put 4 of them on because the weight of it. I don't want to put 2 and the bouncing around. I don't want it to fall. So we'll see how 4 of them. Hopefully that's like 20 pounds. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but the black side says wall. This is the side that goes against the wall. The blue side is what goes to whatever you're sticking it to. In this case, the shelf. So let's just peel off the blue side. If I can get this off, because it's really sticky. And these working hands don't have nails. So I'm going to bend this over. And I want it sticking downwards. And I don't want it past the bend. So I'm going to put that right here because this curves. And I'll stick that on there. Alright, I got 3 more to do. Not going to bore you with that. We'll speed it up. Alright, so we got it. We got all 4 of them strips on there. And these tabs that are hanging over, I'm going to take them and I'm going to cut them off. So you grab a pair of scissors and I'm just going to try to get a sharp pair of scissors. Okay, and I'm just going to cut the tops of them right off. This way they're not hanging over. All right, now I'm going to peel the back. That one needs to be trimmed a little bit more. Sorry, that's the OCD in me, maybe. Yeah, it's not trimming. All right, there we go. All right, so now I just got to peel the backs where it says wall. And we'll speed this up for you too. Okay, we got the backs off. Now all I have to do is line the top of this shelf up on my 2 pencil marks. Now I'm tilting the bottom out, and I just have the top. This way it doesn't stick, because once it sticks, it's stuck. And boom. Okay, now I'm just going to go and I'm going to press each one. Make sure they're stuck pretty good. And voila, there's the shelf. Now we just let that sit for about 24 hours. And we'll put the spices in. Hopefully it holds. We'll see. Alright, it's been a few days. As you can see here, we got all of our spices up. And it's holding. So, I do have another clear shelf. Have no idea where I'm going to put that. Maybe I'll put it in the house. I don't know. But this is what we got here. We got that going. And hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And when we grow, I'll be bringing more videos like this. Alright, hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching Adventures with Paw Paw. Hey, Paw Paw here. Here for this week and nothing. Hey, Paw Paw here. Back with another friendly tip. If you look at the damn it. Hey, Paw Paw here with another tip of the week. Damn it. Alright, so let's get started. Got my little puck light. Blind you.